The world is getting smaller every day. With new innovative mobile technologies being unveiled, everything is becoming more connected, presenting a myriad of opportunities. Yet mobile networks are under pressure to transform and keep up with the growing demand. This brings significant complexities. Take a deep breath. PI Works is here to help you. We provide services powered by our automation portfolio to drive quality, efficiency, and transformation of your network. PI Works industry experts with global experience bring the best practices to your network to give it a competitive edge. Strong understanding of your processes and multiple vendor technologies enable centralized and transparent management of your network. Our services are designed to address your end-to-end network management requirements. It starts from audit and includes design, rollout, planning, optimization, and operations of radio, transport, and core networks. PI Works Evo platform, the network automation suite, is instrumental throughout this process. It empowers you to harness new complexities, enabling seamless and scalable operations of your network. We believe the fusion of automation and expert engineers takes you forward. PI Works is here as your trusted partner, here to empower you to create the intelligent networks of tomorrow.